full-time chowder. That's what we're cooking this week. Now a chowder is kind of a creamy thing with loads of stuff in. Essentially a pimped up soup. Super delicious, really velvety, luxury taste. Very filling though. And the ingredients you're gonna need are 1 onion, 2 potatoes, wafer-thin ham, sweet corn, mushroom soup, crumbly stock cube, dried pasta. And the bits and bobs that you're gonna need in your kitchen are 1 sieve, a saucepan, peeler, spoon, wooden spoon, knife, ladle, also your favourite mug. First thing you're gonna do, dice your onion. You can do it nice and thin if you want it, but these ones we want it relatively chunky, okay? Little splash of veg oil into the pan. We're gonna cook the onion for about 8 to 10 minutes till it begins to get some colour on it. Give it a stir every now and then. Whilst it's cooking, we can peel the potatoes. Chop the potatoes up, about that sort of size, okay? They can cook relatively quickly, all right? So a chowder, it's not clear like a broth, but it's quite creamy. It's just a nice posh soup. Very filling though. So once the onions caramelise, like that, potatoes go in. Give them a bit of a stir, and the potatoes will start to absorb a little bit of that onion flavour. Then into that, soup. So we're using a tin of soup because, well, 2 reasons. 1, it's already got lush flavours going through it. And 2, well, it's cheaper than using double cream. Then 1 mug of water. Give that a stir. And then into that, crumbly stock cube. And then a tin of sweet corn. Once this comes up to the boil, you're gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes just to let those potatoes start to soften. And then we're gonna stick in pasta. So we're gonna measure that up. Half a mug of that. I'm using macaroni, but you can use any sort, okay? Most of us normally just associate cooking pasta in pans of boiling hot water. That's it. But you can cook pasta in any liquid. So it's quite a nice way to thicken this soup and give it a bit more substance and texture. Leave it to cook for around about 12 minutes. Whatever it is, it don't really matter, till the potatoes are cooked and the pasta's soft. Shh, we're recording bubbling. And whilst that's cooking, got here some wafer-thin ham. Shred it up as fine as you can, okay? Because the finer you can shred it, you'll find that the further it goes, all right? And give that just a little stir in. That's it, it's ready to go, ready to serve. Grab yourself your bowl. I'm going for quite a large one here, because I'm quite large. And then into that, we put great big, beautiful ladle or 2. And this fantastic chowder. Oh my God, it's absolutely delicious. It's a great way of creating a super bowl of delight. Velvety, luxurious, full-time chowder. Let me see how you get on using the hashtag #fulltimemeals and follow our page for loads more recipes.